Hey guys, Devi here again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. Guys, this is another crypto video about a smart contract called Tron Quest. Actually, I did a review yesterday, but one, and the review is already on my YouTube channel. So in this video, I just want to look at what makes Tron Quest different from all other smart contracts. So, guys, this is the home page of Tron Quest. As you can see, I'm not going to pass through everything because I already did it on the review video, but all you know is that it earns you up to 250% return on investment, and it is a verified smart contract, and it is a new contract. So if you want to jump in, you should jump in now and you build as the team grows. So guys, so to look at the things that make TronQuest different from other platforms, I'm going to begin with a feature that it has called the referral back commission. So if we are to go to the deposit stroke withdraw here, you can see that feature, it is here. It is called referral back percentage. Now this feature, it is used by team members or team builders who want to give back to their team members or to their community when they join under them. So to set yourself apart from other people promoting TronQuest, you can offer people that sign up with you a referral back, which means the referral back commission. So this feature is usually done manually by the users, but in TronQuest, we have built it in the system so that it makes it easier for investors to promote and market. So as you can see here, I can easily set it to any amount, and so that when you join under me, or when you buy, or for members who have already joined under me, sorry about that. When they buy uh, packages, or when they put up investment into the platform, part of the commission that would have gone to me is sent back to them. So for example, if you set it at 50% referral back, that means that any member who signs up under you or who invests under you will get a 50% commission back from the 10% that you would have gotten. So in that case, the user gets a 5% and you also get a 5%. So that is good, and it can also help you to build your team very fast because people want to be given back. Yeah, because that is human nature. Everyone wants to get something back from you. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to set my referral back commission in TronQuest to 50% so that my members can also gain from when they join under me. So I'm putting here 50, and you click on set percent, so it pops up your wallet and you accept the so as you can see, it has been set successfully and it appears here. So it means that if you join under me and buy a license, you can get 5% of what I would have gotten from you. So that feature is done. It is feature number one. My ID is 177. I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. Feel free to click on my link and join my team and enjoy the referral back commission. So feature number two, um, that makes TronQuest different from other smart contracts is the referral bonus of up to 1.5%. So if we are to go down here, this is the referral bonus of up to 1.5%. So if you build a team and you have 25 referrals and above, on your daily percentage you'll be added 0.1%. So the more I build, the more earnings that you get, up to 1.5%. So this is a good feature, and it's gonna encourage people to build their teams because everyone wants to earn an additional percentage on his or her daily income. Another feature number 3, it is the leader rewards. Leader rewards of up to 1.5% plus 130,000 TRX given to a member who achieves this. So if your first line referrals, they invest 10,000 TRX and above, you'll be added 0.1% on top of your daily income. So all these other ones, they appear here because now we are getting 1.5%. I am holding, so I was given this 0.5%. So the contract bonus, we have not yet hit 1 million. The referral bonus, for example, if you have now 25 referrals, you'll be getting this one. And if your team has first level team has invested 10,000 Tron and above, you'll be also added this one. So these two, they will also appear here, and it will be a huge boost to your daily percentage. Number 4, this platform, it was audited by the Haze Crypto. For those of you who are in the crypto space, you know Haze Crypto. This is the number 1 audit company in cryptocurrencies and also smart contracts and all those other coins, meme coins, and so on. So once you see Haze Crypto Audit, just know that this thing is legit, has no back holes, and it is fully awesome, so that I can use that. So number 5, you can only withdraw up to 50% of your investment. So if we are to go to withdraw here, guys, I like this feature. If you are to withdraw here, you can only withdraw up to 50% of your investment. So I said this in the review video, and this feature is good because there is no way you can invest 500 TRX, you refer a huge team, and you build a team and you want to withdraw 5,000 TRX. So it will only allow you to withdraw 250 TRX, then the balance will be carried tomorrow, like that. So I think that is good. It's gonna encourage people to also team leaders to invest in the smart contract, which will lead to its growth. So guys, those are the 5 things that make Tron Quest different. Number 1 is the referral back commission. Number 2 is the referral bonus. Number 3 is the leader rewards. Number 4, it is the Haze Crypto Audit. And number 5 is the withdrawal of up to 50% of your investment every day. So guys, that's it. Link is in the description. Join Tron Quest and we grow it together. See you in the next video.